Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote engine start, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.